Right, I'll just put the Harrier down there. That's ready for its top coat. Oh, hello. Thanks for popping along. This is, I've sorted the problem with YouTube now, and they've reinstated the initial video, but this is the 400 subs giveaway video. I've just looked back this morning over when I'd done the 100 subs giveaway, which is February 2019, which I'm not surprised really with all what's been going on in life in general. Yeah, it took me away from the bench for quite a while, but anyway, what I'm going to do is the 400 subs giveaway. Just leave a comment down below as and when this video goes up, and I'm going to give away a Warhammer Dreadnought. The picture should be going up here hopefully by the time you see this, because if I show it on the screen it's just going to be all shiny, and because I've left all the wrapping on it and what have you. But I just want to say thanks really for all the subs that I've had. I think I'm up to 20 patrons now, which is fantastic because I'm on a government pension now, so every little bit helps and enables me to stay at the bench. I want to say a massive thank you to Colin Fox and all the gang. They got me back to the bench. Sue and Paul Shopland, been stars, and yeah, it's been an odd time, and I'm just on my way to the 500 now, where I'm going to do a much bigger giveaway. Got a lot of new subs from over the pond in America. Miguel, Terry at Hobby Barn, John Paul, Mopar 62, all the guys in America, brilliant. Love the stuff you do, love watching it, love taking part in your live streams as and when I can get into them, because depends what time. John Paul tends to do them at 1 AM 2 AM our time, so it's not always possible to get in and join them, but normally leave a comment once it does go up on YouTube. Leave a comment and watch what they've been up to. Miguel, an absolute superb builder, scratch builder on his frames. But I digress. Thanks everyone. Thank you very, very much to all the patrons. It really is much appreciated and helps out. Every penny goes back on the bench that I get from patron, and the 24/7's going great. Great bunch of guys in there. Have a laugh, have a bit of banter, Panzer and Sprue. But we'll see you around, and again, thanks everyone so much. It really, really does mean a lot getting to 400. Taken me 2 years, like I say, but hey, let's go onwards and upwards, eh? Thanks guys, much love, and thanks for all your participation. Bye guys.